We are in KL.
I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Can you play that again?
Baby, what you wanna do?
I'm in KL. So today is day 1 of GVF. Yeah, Good Vibes Festival. Day 1, and now I'm in another hotel. So let's go to the right hotel at Nilai. Don't know how much the Grab is gonna be, because KL is expensive. And I need to shower first. If you travel with girls, not 1 luggage, 2 luggage plus tripods, because influencing. Please help us. We are hiring a personal assistant to carry all of this.
Yep.
Very tiring, very tiring, very tiring. Shit, but the room looks awesome. But the toilet doesn't look that good though. You know, last minute finding hotel during GBF is the worst thing ever. So fun fact, never find a hotel like a week before. Definitely find a hotel a month before, because this is what you get lah. Could have gotten a very better hotel in a more cheaper price, but we are dumb. I am dumb. But now I have to shower. Content creator is forever gonna be content creator. We can't escape from this life. So I'm creating my content with Maybelline because I am going to the GVF with Maybelline. Thank you Maybelline for sponsoring my tickets. I mean our tickets. Ah! And yeah, now I'm currently getting ready and I'm gonna do a very unique eye look. Let me keep you guys here while Harvina is creating a content at the back there. And yeah, today I'm just going to round off what I'm gonna do today. So today's outfit is gonna be denim on denim. How fun. And I can't wait for my eye look. But I'm not gonna show you guys how. If you guys wanna see how I got this look, head to my Instagram page because I did my look there. But yeah, let me quickly do my makeup and come back and show you guys what I'm gonna wear. Like I'll show you guys my outfit deets.
Bobby.
Table, but
Yep, salah.
let's sit down and eat.
You're gonna eat something.
Yeah, look at my makeup.
Very nice.
Look at Harvina's makeup.
It's simple.
She don't want to wear fake eyelashes.
Yeah, sorry lah.
It's okay, tomorrow I make up her because tomorrow my makeup is gonna be simple.
Ah.
But we haven't do our hair, but I
Yeah.
really like how my hair is wavy. Makan. We are so hungry. We took our breakfast just now. I forgot to bring you guys along, but because we look like shit in the morning, we just chow. Reality check. Okay, yeah. Now I want to eat, so don't disturb me, because if you disturb me,
You're gonna turn into
you're gonna
gorilla.
regret. Yeah, you're gonna regret your life. So let me eat. Already eat my lipstick.
Yep, lipstick is gone.
But now we've gotta get ready. Okay, this is the outfit, guys. Let me show you guys a rundown of my outfit. Where am I gonna place you guys? Here. And me and Harvina's outfit. Wait, I need to set up the camera. Very difficult. Okay. Okay. Can see ya. Okay. This is my outfit. This top from Diesel Shopee. Backless. And also cargo pants that is inspired. Yeah, please don't try to wear your necklaces as this happens. And yeah, cargo pants like Kylie Jenner, serving Kylie Jenner with nothing assets. No assets. Okay, Haruna is wearing Alexander Wong. Oh, so from Shopee. Okay. And cargo pants.
Yep.
And yeah, don't ask what we're gonna wear for our shoes because
Yeah.
definitely shoes.
Yep.
Shoes.
Shoes.
If can slipper.
Yep.
If can balance. I mean shoeless.
Shoeless.
Balance.
Balance.
Already backless, some more balance. Backless. Can fit everything. But my bag can't even fit my lipstick.
Stupidest bag ever.
But it looks like Jacquemus, you know?
Yep.
Mini ears, Jacquemus. Jacquemus. You
Jacquemus,
don't.
I guess. Yeah.
And we are charging the phone. No worries, B. I got charged the power bank. I'm so smart.
Yep. We can bring that. You can put in my bag lah, at least lah.
Yeah. My ring can fit because the ring keep on falling down. And look at this ring light YSL gave. So we can. Yeah, gila karchi already. Always top your outfit with a glasses because it completes the look. We are on the way to the place. Bye. It's hella hot. And we need to walk. Yeah. And it's like, I saw a TikTok video and they were saying you need to park here and you have to walk 15 to 20 minutes. You mad ah? You think what? We will be getting a chair or what in the Good Vibes Festival? We gotta stand there, we gotta walk.
Yeah. Crazy.
Improvement please. Thanks.
Yep.
We have to walk all the way to that corner. Like a mad person. Oh my god, that's so far. So far. How much? We deserve this. Totally deserve this.
Oh,
After that.
nice win, man.
It's not recording. Oh, yes. Is it recording? We need to go to the Maybelline because they give us care package. We need to say thank you to them.
Need to ask them to touch up our makeup also.
Oh yeah, it's melting. It's melting.
We look like Alka.
Blue smoky eye for tomorrow, okay?
Possibly can for this song with me. Raise your hand if you can hear me right now.
And now I'm here 'cause you made it so. Girl, I don't deserve grace. If I'm still okay, and it's
We are hungry. Hungry. Day one. Done. Completed. Dusted. Tired. Hungry. Hangry. Leg pain. That's the first day complaint. Check. Do not sleep with an empty stomach. I've done everything and I'm gonna sleep and end my day one. Good night. Mwah.
Steps in, have you winding? Last minute pips to the honey. Drip, drip, drip when you're sliding.